Welcome to the Valencia College Library. I am Angela Hall, your downtown campus librarian. Today's library instruction is going to involve several components, one of which is to show you how to access the library databases and resources. We'll also be taking a look at accessing the library catalog, getting citation help, looking at some of our research guides, how to use the virtual reference service, and then showing you specifically some career-related resources and databases. When you are accessing the library resources, you always need to be logged into your Atlas account. So once you've logged into your Atlas account, you want to click on Search the Library. This is our library landing page, if you will, and so from here, you're able to toggle between resources. So you can go straight to the library's homepage and get information on other campuses in terms of their services and hours of operation, and even reaching out to some of the library staff at those locations. You can also search the databases alphabetically as well as by subject. If you are looking for a particular journal publication, you can search here under this tab. If you need help citing resources, you would like to click here. We've got some really nice colorful illustrations of citations as it's broken down by the parts of the citation. You can also search research guides. These are like web pages in a sense, and they are just a directory or a pathfinder to other resources. So you may be redirected to a database, or you may be redirected to other websites that have been verified by the librarians for credibility. Ask a Librarian is a virtual reference service that is staffed by a live librarian. You may also search from this platform the library catalog, which will include the holdings that we do own. You may also search for articles here as well. Ebooks are a digital format. You can search for ebooks and access those and actually read them from whatever device you're accessing this platform from. And course reserves are those items that have been placed on reserve by a professor to borrow for a short period of time. However, being that the library is temporarily closed during the summer session physically, we are trying to find other avenues for you to get access to the resources that you need for your courses and so that you can be successful. So stay tuned for the next segment, which will be how to access the library databases.